Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Let's put the servo in. We're going to use the servo from SpeedTek RC for this Raffle build. Raffle's $20 a ticket or $20 a spot. If you buy 5 in a row, so if you spend $100, I'll give you the 6th one. If you do it all separately and I have to start counting, I'm not going to do it that way. So if you guys spend $100, I'll give you a 6th one for free. So you get 6 chances to win. It's up to you guys. $20 a spot, like I said. So just give you that extra one if you pitch in all at once. If I got to count them up, throughout a week or something like that, I don't want to do that. So, and try to count but if you do the $100, you get 6th one free. And SpeedTek RC, RC Hop-Ups, and JJ Customs, all sponsoring this, and myself. You can follow them on Instagram, Facebook, Instagram. I'm not sure if they have Facebook. I can't remember. They might. JJ Customs, he has Facebook, Instagram, and he also does. He also has a YouTube channel. So go follow all those links. All the links will be down below for all those. Yeah, so I started building the links. I already went and I got ahead of myself. This is our RC Hop-Ups links. Let's bring you guys in closer now. The steering. So we have that. I was already messing around with it. So we're going to install this, right, over here, like so. Okay. Look at that. Beautiful little servo. It's got like 80 plus ounces of torque. So it's a strong, and they're very quiet. I have it in my my Jeep right there. It fits in there beautifully. Okay. So we're going to install that into here. Find some screws for it. I have the parts tray here. I think it might come with some screws. It comes with I wouldn't use these screws to put it in, but it does come with the little black one, like I have right here. I had an extra one laying around to go inside the servo. And then of course your your white links. We'll leave that white link on for everybody. The servo horn, right? Let's get that in frame. So let's we don't need nothing super big here. So let's see if we can find something small here in the leftover parts tray here. It's too small. I think these ones will be good. My fingers aren't working this morning. Let's see if that one will work. This one right here. Look the same size. Yep, that should work. So we'll put this in right here. And it's gonna, these always sit up weird. They're always at a weird angle. So you just do the bottom ones. They, I mean, if you wanted to put it in front and then put a spacer, the problem is your servo comes way out here. So to keep it back, you just put it up on the top one. That's how I've been doing it. So, that's how I did my last one. I put it back there on the top. See on the top? It works good. It goes all the way through there. So, do the same thing with this one, huh? Well, that didn't work. That went right through it. Now, why would it do that? All right, I found some screws. You do have to be careful on which ones you use, I guess, here. Always put a nut on the back if you really wanted to, but I think these work just fine. These are so much bigger, though. Yeah, those don't work. All right, I think I found some screws now. Let's try these ones over here. A little shorter. Oops. Come on. Come on. I think that might get us started. It's going in there crooked, but let's get this one started over here. All right, I think we found some screws that'll work. And push them down, make it even, loosen this one up a little bit, get it sitting down as low as I can. I said, if you guys want the lower center of gravity a little better, you could put it out front and put some spacers in front of it and set it all the way down there, but it works great on mine like this. So and I'm not going to hook that up yet because we don't know where that's at. You never want to do that. I think these were the longer ones is what we used on this side. Right, yep. So then we take this one here. We throw it on the table like that. So let's go here. Oh. Being stubborn. There you go. It's gotta be. We'll take that back off before we plug it in. I just want to make it look all RC hop-ups, SpeedTek RC. 10% discount. Use Kurtz RCs on both websites. So, which is makes it a lot better deal. Like I said, I haven't Loctited any of this stuff in. I want to make sure before I crank it all down. And you can tell all those ones come loose easy. So these ones need to be Loctited in for sure. They just back out real quick. But there you go, guys. SpeedTek RC, Instagram, Facebook. Ask him any questions. He'll answer you. Just give him some time. If you're in a hurry, it's going to take, it takes a little bit. So, but it gives you a sticker and all their stuff. They got all 1/10 scale parts. They got, all sorts of parts, guys. It's not just 24s. If you guys are into the 10 scale crawlers or speed run cars, SpeedTek RC's got gears and all that stuff. They got spools, speed spools. RC hop-up has, a lot of hop-ups, a lot of brass for the 10 crawlers, scale stuff. They got a cool little pitchfork and shovel and things for your garage if you want to. All sorts of little things like that. So go check them out, guys. Appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Y'all have a good day.